Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to clear the app cache on your iPhone. If your storage is filling up or the apps feel slow, this simple trick can help free up the space and improve the performance. So here is how you can do it. Now, unlike Android, iPhones don't have a direct clear cache button for most of the applications, but there is a very effective workaround to this. For that, first of all, open the settings of your iPhone. Inside the settings, simply tap on the option of General. In the General, you just have to scroll down and look for the option of iPhone storage. So here, wait for a moment while your iPhone loads the list of the applications. Now you just have to select the app that's taking up a lot of space. So as you can see, currently the videos are taking a lot of space, and then we have albums. So let's say I chose YouTube. So after selecting the YouTube, it is going to show me two different options. The first is of offload app and the second one is of delete app. So here tap on the option of offload app, then tap on the option of offload app. So this is going to remove the app itself but keeps your documents and the data. So more importantly, it clears any type of temporary files and the cached data. So this is basically the clear cache of the application that we did here in iPhone. After offloading, you can tap on the option of reinstall app. Your app will return, but unnecessary cache will be cleared. If an app doesn't support offloading or still has the issue, you can use the delete app option and then you can reinstall it from the App Store. This also completely resets the app's stored data. This method works especially well for the applications like your web browsers, social media apps, or the streaming services. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just simply drop them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.